This tutorial explains how to export Dicom files from Topcon OCT on IMAGEnet 6. Okay, so we are in, select Administration in your main panel, then select System Configuration and go to OCT Export. Okay, so preliminary I created Ultras folder on my desktop, copied the location, and now I'm adding it over here where I would prefer the exported file to be saved. And do not forget to click the Update button. Then go back to Patient, Advanced, and search for Patient. Okay, so click on the patient details to select the patient. Good, so patient scan appears. Select a particular scan that you would like to export. Okay, the scan uploads. Click the button Export and come all the way down and select the DCM file from the list. Good, the download process starts. So the file is exported on your computer. It should be located either in the folder that you have added at the very beginning when we were in the system configuration, or it can be just in your downloads. So let's see what we have exported. There are two files. The first one is fundus image, and it's the small one, and this is the retina B scans. Usually this file is of a bigger size. So please use exported B scans, remember the bigger file size, to upload it into Ultras AI platform. Okay, I hope this was helpful and see you in our next tutorial.